Crash Course, Ecuador, Galapagos Islands. Welcome to the Galapagos Islands, a place of extraordinary beauty and biodiversity. Located in Ecuador, this archipelago is renowned for its unique wildlife and captivating landscapes. In this crash course, we will delve into the wonders of the Galapagos Islands, share fascinating stories and examples, and highlight the top 12 attractions that make this destination a must-visit for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts. Story 1. Darwin's inspiration. The Galapagos Islands played a pivotal role in shaping Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. It was during his visit to these islands that he observed distinct species with adaptations to their specific environments, leading to his groundbreaking ideas. This historical connection adds an element of intrigue and wonder to the islands, inviting visitors to explore and discover the marvels that inspired Darwin's theories. Story 2. The enigmatic wildlife. The Galapagos Islands are home to an incredible array of wildlife, much of which is found nowhere else on Earth. Here, you can encounter iconic creatures like the Galapagos giant tortoise, which can weigh over 500 pounds and live for more than a century. The islands are also inhabited by unique bird species, such as the blue-footed booby, the waved albatross, and the flightless cormorant. Marine life thrives in the surrounding waters, with opportunities to swim alongside sea lions, sea turtles, and vibrant schools of tropical fish. Top 12 attractions of the Galapagos Islands. 1. Tortuga Bay, a pristine white sand beach and a haven for marine iguanas. 2. Las Grietas, a stunning natural formation where you can swim in crystal-clear waters. 3. Bartolomé Island, known for its iconic pinnacle rock and stunning panoramic views. 4. North Seymour Island, a birdwatcher's paradise with opportunities to see frigatebirds, blue-footed boobies, and more. 5. Charles Darwin Research Station, learn about conservation efforts and see the famous giant tortoises up close. 6. Punta Espinosa, Fernandina Island, walk among countless marine iguanas and lava formations. 7. Kicker Rock, Leon Dormido, a magnificent rock formation rising from the sea, perfect for snorkeling and diving. 8. Sierra Negra Volcano, hike to the edge of the world's second-largest volcanic crater. 9. Post Office Bay, Floriana Island, participate in a unique postal tradition established by 18th-century whalers. 10. Las Tunas, Isabela Island, snorkel through a labyrinth of lava arches and tunnels. 11. Devil's Crown, Floriana Island, an underwater volcanic cone teeming with marine life, ideal for snorkeling. 12. Santa Fe Island, explore a cactus forest and spot the endemic Santa Fe land iguana. Summarizing the Galapagos Islands. The Galapagos Islands are a natural wonderland, captivating visitors with their breathtaking landscapes and extraordinary wildlife. From walking among ancient giant tortoises to snorkeling alongside playful sea lions, every moment in the Galapagos is an opportunity to connect with nature in its purest form. With its rich biodiversity and historical significance, this archipelago is an unrivaled destination for those seeking a unique and unforgettable experience. Poem. In the heart of Ecuador, a treasure awaits. The Galapagos Islands, where nature demonstrates its traits. From volcanic landscapes to turquoise seas. A sanctuary of wildlife, where harmony decrees. Giant tortoises roam, with wisdom in their eyes. Blue-footed boobies dance, under sunlit skies. Marine iguanas bask, in the sun's warm embrace. And playful sea lions frolic, with elegance and grace. Tortuga Bay's white sands stretch far and wide, while Las Grietas' crystal waters invite us to glide. Bartolomé's pinnacle rock rises proud and tall, and North Seymour's birdlife mesmerizes us all. At the Charles Darwin Research Station, we learn and explore the conservation efforts, forevermore. Sierra Negra's volcano, with its mighty crater, and Post Office Bay's tradition, where letters don't falter. Kicker Rock's allure, beneath the ocean's veil, and Las Tunas' labyrinth, where marine life sets sail. Devil's Crown's bounty, a snorkeler's delight, and Santa Fe's cactus forest, a magical sight. The Galapagos Islands, a paradise to behold. Nature's masterpiece, captivating and bold. With every step and every dive, a connection with the earth, forever alive. Song. Verse 1. In the heart of Ecuador, a wonderland untold. The Galapagos Islands, where nature unfolds. Giant tortoises roam, with wisdom in their eyes. Blue-footed boobies dance, under clear blue skies. Chorus. Galapagos Islands, where wildlife thrives. A sanctuary of nature, where wonder arrives. From Tortuga Bay to Kicker Rock's embrace. Adventure and beauty, in every space. Verse 2. Las Gritas waters, crystal clear and bright. Bartolomé's pinnacle, a breathtaking sight. North Seymour's birds, soaring in the air. Charles Darwin Research Station, knowledge to share. Chorus. Galapagos Islands, where wildlife thrives. A sanctuary of nature, where wonder arrives. From Tortuga Bay to Kicker Rock's embrace. Adventure and beauty, in every space. Bridge. Sierra Negra's volcano, a mighty force. Post Office Bay's tradition, a historical course. Los Tunley's labyrinth, a snorkeler's delight. Devil's Crown's beauty, hidden out of sight. Chorus. Galapagos Islands, where wildlife thrives. A sanctuary of nature, where wonder arrives. From Tortuga Bay to Kicker Rock's embrace. Adventure and beauty, in every space. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.